I'm almost about ashamed to even say this, but if you got a zero turn or any kind of mower, bush hog, finish mower, whatever, one of the things you should do when you get finished with it is to take your backpack blower and blow all the grass and stuff off of it. What that does, in case it gets wet and it builds up humidity up under it, it won't rust your deck out. And I hadn't done that in a little bit, and I did it today, just now. And you know what I blew off of the blew off the deck? A squirrel had hidden a pecan in all the grass under there. So in the morning I'm taking the deck off and I'm going to sharpen the blades and sand down a few little rusty spots on it and repaint it and maintain it and promise to take better care of it from now on out. I guess I need to change oil in the motor too. Anyway, take a minute when you're through cutting grass or bush hogging or whatever you're doing and clean your deck off. That way you won't be surprised if you crank up your mower, your tractor one day and little baby squirrels run out from under it. See y'all.